Parents, while your high achieving teen maintains a perfect everything just fine attitude, they are currently drowning in AP calculus prep, and you may not notice it until it's too late. I've worked with hundreds of high achieving students over the years, and what I have learned is that they are struggling in a course and they see it as if they are a failure. They have built their identities around their academic success, which makes vulnerability when it comes to their academics a little uncomfortable. So when they actually find out that their AP Calculus course is challenging, and it is challenging for most students, they hide it. They spend hours alone watching YouTube videos or just trying to figure out the homework on their own when it shouldn't take them more than 20 minutes to complete. In their past math courses, they've known that they could just remember the process. They didn't have to put much effort, but now calculus demands deep conceptual understanding, but also the application needed to be successful in the course. So you can't just fake it. And it's more than just memorization. So what I see is that this type of student builds up a level of resentment towards math, and they may even turn away from STEM altogether. They start to believe that they're not good in the subject, but they just need some additional support. Research on perfectionism shows high achievers frequently suffer from imposter syndrome, the persistent fear that they're not as capable as they may appear. This makes asking for help challenging. And I hear this from students all the time because typically I'm the first tutor that they've ever had. And I have to have a conversation because most high achievers, when they encounter calculus and its difficulties, they interpret that as a personal failure rather than just normal learning and progression. They assume that everyone else understands it easily and they know exactly what they're doing, but in all honesty, all the students are struggling at some point in the course, and the ones that are ahead of the game are asking for help. So if you have a high achieving student that may be showing subtle signs that they're not actually getting as high as a grade or they're not as confident about their math abilities anymore, then I would love to extend you and your student a strategy session. Now, these sessions are limited, but I would love to discuss with them how they can improve in this course. So just DM me the letters AP and secure your spot today.